Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I just want to answer a question from someone in my comments. They were asking, is the process of disputing on Credit Karma the same process if you were to actually dispute with a letter with the credit bureaus? And I want to say no, it is not the same process. If you dispute an account on Credit Karma, for one thing, you're going to be limited on the amount of accounts that you could actually dispute. They only let you dispute a certain amount of accounts at a time. Usually I believe it's like one account at a time. But if you send a dispute letter, you literally can put 50 items on that same dispute letter. I've done it before. But you can send negative accounts as many as you want to at a time to the credit bureaus and start disputing it, and you will start seeing these accounts get deleted even faster. But that's just one thing. And when it come down to sending out disputes on Credit Karma, there's just certain things that you're not going to have included in your letters that you need to have included in your letters. So I always tell people, just send a letter to them, and if you're part of exclusive membership, you guys have access to all of my dispute letters. So use these dispute letters to send them a letter and let them know that you need to get these accounts removed from your credit reports. And like I said too, there's not like a limit on the amount of accounts that you can actually dispute. So go ahead and just dispute these accounts right away. The more accounts that you get disputed, the higher your credit score should be able to get disputed and removed. Then that means that your credit score should go up even higher. So now you can start getting approved for the accounts that you may want to get approved for. And understand this, when you're doing Credit Karma, you're not going to see many results. Some people get accounts removed. It used to be easy to get accounts removed on Credit Karma a while ago, but now it's not the same right now, you guys. So if you're having problems with removing accounts and using Credit Karma, that's probably just because you need to send out some disputes. But I just made that Credit Karma video just to let people know that it's possible. Like, you can send out disputes. I don't want to not tell you guys about something, but I would rather you guys send out a letter. But if you have any questions, call or text me. I'm very busy, but I'm here for you guys. But call or text me, and I can definitely help you guys with any questions that you may have. And I can go ahead and look at your credit reports too. If you need help trying to figure out how to remove certain accounts, I can help you figure out how to remove those accounts. But I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.